If tropical regions are Earth's accelerator, temperate forests are its stabilizers. They do not move as fast as the tropics, but they last longer. Temperate forests store carbon not just in trunks and leaves, but deep in soils, locked in for centuries. This makes them essential for long-term planetary balance. The mistake of the past was simplification. Single-species forests, not uniform planting. Fast yields, these systems fail. They collapse under pests, drought, and disease. The solution is mixed hardwood systems. Diversity is not aesthetic, it is structural. Oak, maple, beech, chestnut, walnut. Each species performs a different function. Some grow fast, some grow slow. Some fix nutrients, some stabilize soil. Together they form a resilient carbon architecture. Mature temperate hardwood systems absorb 10 to 15 tons of carbon dioxide per hectare per year, depending on species mix and climate. This is lower than bamboo, but the storage is deeper and longer lasting. Hardwood roots penetrate meters into the soil. This locks carbon underground, where it remains stable for generations. Temperate forests also regulate water systems. They reduce flooding, stabilize watersheds, recharge aquifers. This protects cities, agriculture, and infrastructure downstream. Economically, mixed hardwood systems are sustainable. They produce timber over long cycles, food crops like nuts and fruits, secondary products like resins and fibers. This creates multi-generational value, not short-term extraction. The average cost of establishing temperate mixed forests ranges from $2,000 to $4,000 per hectare. With a 20% buffer for planning, biodiversity management and protection, these systems remain economically viable at scale. Large portions of degraded agricultural land in temperate zones can be converted without reducing food security. This is restoration without sacrifice. Temperate forests do not solve the climate problem alone. But without them, no solution holds. They are the backbone, slow, stable, enduring.